Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new contacts from Google Contacts to Mondaycom. This is necessary to automatically transfer new contacts from Google Contacts to other systems. For example, in Mondaycom you can create new notes and conveniently interact with them in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, select the data source system, Google Contacts. Now choose an action. Get Contacts, New. At this stage, you need to connect your Google Contacts account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you must specify the login and password of your Google account. We make sure to provide all access. When the connected account appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. There are no additional settings for the Google Contacts system, so just click Continue. At this stage you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now, you see an example of data for one of your Google Contacts contacts. If you are satisfied, click Continue. At this point, setting up the Google Contacts data source has been successfully completed. Now you need to move on to setting up the data destination. Choose Mondaycom system. Next you need to select an action, Create Note. At this stage you need to connect your Mondaycom account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you need to specify the API key. To get it, go to your Mondaycom personal account. Next, go to your account settings. Developers section. Go to the My Access Tokens section. Click Show. Copy the token and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled in, click Continue. When the connected login appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. Next, you need to select a board to which new notes will be added. Next, select a group. You now see the Mondaycom fields for creating a new note. You can assign variables from Google Contacts to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can use not only variables, but also enter values manually. When all required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Mondaycom in the form of new notes for each new contact from Google Contacts. If you are not satisfied with something, click Edit and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Mondaycom. After successful sending, go to Mondaycom and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the configuration of Mondaycom as a data destination. Now you need to enable auto-update and select an update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.